Elon Musk is building a chip empire. SpaceX is about to go public. And the technology at the center of it all may already be in the hands of America's biggest rival. Welcome back to AI Assets. Today we are breaking down the most ambitious semiconductor project in American history, Terafab, and why the convergence of three massive stories happening simultaneously right now creates one of the most asymmetric investment setups of 2026. Let us get into it. Here is what most investors still do not fully understand about Terafab. This is not a factory. It is a vertically integrated AI hardware empire. Elon Musk announced Terafab in March 2026, a chip complex in Austin, Texas, involving Tesla, SpaceX, and xAI simultaneously. The stated goal: produce more than 1 terawatt of computing capacity per year. That is not a typo. 1 terawatt annually from a single complex. For context, the entire global data center industry today consumes roughly 400 gigawatts of power. Terafab's ambition is to manufacture chips capable of delivering 2.5 times that in compute output every single year. On April the 7th, Intel officially joined the project. CEO Lip-Bu Tan personally committed Intel's most advanced manufacturing process, the 14A node, Intel's next-generation chip fabrication technology, to Terafab's production. Intel's own CTO was appointed to lead the company's involvement. Then, on April the 23rd, Musk revealed the full technical blueprint. Tesla will use Intel's 14A process to manufacture custom AI chips for cars, humanoid robots, and xAI's data center expansion. SpaceX gets its own chip supply chain for orbital data centers, satellites with AI processing built in. And on June 11th, Musk confirmed he will speak at an ASML event specifically to discuss Terafab, right as SpaceX is pricing its IPO. 3 stories. 1 moment. Let us talk about what it means for your money. Investor context. Here is the direct portfolio impact. Start with Intel. Intel's stock has been one of the most beaten-down names in semiconductors over the past 3 years. The foundry business lost billions. TSMC ate its lunch. The market wrote it off. Terafab changes the narrative entirely. Intel just secured the most high-profile manufacturing customer in the world. Elon Musk, who controls Tesla, SpaceX, xAI, and a media empire, publicly committed to Intel's 14A process at scale. That is not a small contract. That is a strategic endorsement from the most discussed entrepreneur on the planet at the exact moment Intel needs to prove its foundry can compete with TSMC. Intel's stock jumped immediately on the April 7th announcement. But here is what matters more for long-term investors. If Terafab hits its 2027 production target and Intel's 14A process delivers, it validates Intel's entire foundry turnaround thesis. That is a multi-year re-rating story, not a one-day trade. Now SpaceX. The IPO is imminent. SpaceX is the most valuable private company in the world, with a valuation estimated between $350 and $500 billion. Terafab is not just a supply chain project for SpaceX. It is a vertical integration story that strengthens the SpaceX IPO narrative directly. Investors buying into the SpaceX IPO are not just buying rocket launches. They are buying a company building its own chip supply chain for orbital AI infrastructure. That is a completely different business model than any publicly traded aerospace company. And Tesla. Every Tesla vehicle, every Optimus humanoid robot, and every dojo training cluster depends on custom AI chips. Terafab eliminates Tesla's dependence on external suppliers for those chips, including Nvidia. That is a long-term margin story. Vertical integration in chip manufacturing could add hundreds of basis points to Tesla's gross margins over the next 5 years. Here is what the market is missing. And this is critical. Everyone is covering Terafab as an Elon Musk story. It is actually an ASML story. And ASML may be the most important and most underpriced angle in this entire situation. Here is the problem. To manufacture chips at the 14A process node, the kind of advanced chips Terafab requires, you need extreme ultraviolet lithography machines. Only one company in the world makes them, ASML. And right now, the United States government has told ASML that it believes China may already have one of these machines in violation of export controls. ASML denies it. The US has not presented evidence publicly, but the investigation is ongoing, and it has created direct uncertainty around ASML's export license status, its ability to service existing Chinese customers, and its long-term revenue trajectory from the world's largest chip market. If Terafab needs ASML machines, and it almost certainly does, then ASML's regulatory situation becomes a direct risk factor for Terafab's 2027 production timeline. A delayed ASML export license, a tightened export control regime, or a confirmed violation finding could push Terafab's schedule by 12 to 18 months. That is the hidden risk nobody in financial media is connecting right now. Terafab's timeline is not just dependent on Intel's manufacturing ramp. It is dependent on ASML's geopolitical situation. And if ASML comes out clean, if the investigation finds no violation, ASML's stock re-rates upward and Terafab's timeline is confirmed. That is the upside scenario. What happens next? Here is your concrete roadmap. The first date to watch is the ASML event in late June, where Musk is speaking. Any update on Terafab's chip design progress, production timeline, or Intel 14A node status will move multiple stocks simultaneously, Intel, Tesla, and ASML all in a single press appearance. The second date to watch is the SpaceX IPO pricing. No confirmed date yet, but market sources point to late summer or early fall 2026. When SpaceX files its final prospectus, look for Terafab to be featured as a strategic asset in the S1, and watch how institutional investors price the chip vertical integration into the IPO valuation. The third date to watch is Intel's Q2 earnings in late July. This will be the first earnings call where Intel can speak officially to the Terafab relationship. Listen specifically for any mention of capacity allocation at the 14A node, timeline for first Terafab chip production, and whether Intel has secured the ASML equipment orders necessary to support the project. The smart positioning here is not betting on Musk's ambitions alone. It is recognizing that Terafab creates a direct catalyst chain across 4 publicly traded companies, Intel, Tesla, ASML, and Nvidia, as the competitive threat. Each of those companies reports earnings in July. Each of those earnings calls will contain signals about whether Terafab's 2027 timeline is on track. The chip empire Musk is building is not science fiction. Intel's 14A commitment makes it real. ASML's involvement makes it geopolitically sensitive. And SpaceX's IPO makes it financially urgent. All 3 stories converge in the next 60 days. If this gave you an edge today, hit subscribe to AI Assets for daily analysis on AI stocks, chip infrastructure, and the investment moves that matter before the market catches up. See you in the next one.